Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to give a really creative touch to your Canva designs. So we're going to learn how to grab a text around a circle in Canva. First of all, we're going to go to canva.com. Here, we're going to click on Create a Design, and after, we're going to click on Custom Size. I'm going to use one that I already have, that is 1280 per 720. And this new window with a blank square will appear. Now here on the left part, we're going to click on Elements, and then we're going to click on Circle. Some different options will appear. You will have to choose the one that you like the most. I'm going to use this one, and you can make it as bigger or smaller as you want. This will also depend on how long your text will be. Now, when we have our circle ready, we're going to click on Text, and here we're going to click on Add a Heading. For my example, I'm going to write Hello everyone, and I'm going to add another text. For this, I'm going to click on Add a Heading again. I'm going to use this one for the upper part, and this one for the down. Here I'm going to write How are you? You can change the color of the text, you can make it bigger, smaller, you can also change the font. So when your text is ready and where you want it, we're going to click on Effects. Here we're going to go down and we're going to click on this curve option. And as you can see, the text will go around the circle. To make it fit better, on the left part, you're going to find this curve option and you're going to move it to the left or to the right. And the text is going to move around the circle until you see that it fits as you want. And now that you have the upper text ready, you're going to select the bottom text. And here we're going to do the same process. We're going to click on curve, and on the curve option, we're going to take it all the way to the left until our text fits around the circle. Here you can take your time until it is as you like. And when you have it ready, on the upper right part, you're going to click on Share. And here you're going to click on Download. You're going to change as a PDF standard file. And then you're going to click on Download. It is going to start downloading. And there you go. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.